Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing to you the Nike SB Dunk that I skated for about 4 months. I'll show you the wear and tear and how I think these perform in skating. So first off, I picked this up for $60 at a Nike outlet. Sizing of the Nike Dunk, go to true to size. Let's talk about the materials. The materials, we've got a leather panel on the toe box, on the side panel, and on the heel. This leather feels fake. It's very cheap and plastic like, but the suede is pretty good. It's fairly thick, held up pretty nicely. The tongue is a mesh material. It's thinly padded. The tongue also has these elastic straps that center the tongue so it stays stable on your foot and doesn't move to one side, which I have a problem with other skate shoes, that the tongue, it folds over in one side. It can be very distracting when you're skating. The laces on the shoe are these thick laces, not flat laces. Let's talk about the outsole. The outsole is this gum rubber outsole with this like radial circular pattern of tread. Pretty grippy, no problems. This is my pushing foot, and you can see now that it's starting to get a flat spot over here, which is not too bad for about 4 months of skating. This is a cup sole shoe, so there's a EVA midsole. This is the insole that the shoe comes with. It has a zoom airbag unit on the heel, protects your feet pretty well jumping down stuff, so I was pretty confident. This is resting on top of that EVA midsole of the shoe, so overall the comfort and impact of the shoe is pretty good. This is my switch foot, and this is the flip marks I got from doing switch flips. I put super glue on the stitching so that it wouldn't blow out immediately, because I had a problem with that with my regular shoe. I'll show you here. This is when I do my regular kick flips. I blew a hole through this suede panel within a couple of weeks because of the stitching. So what I did was I shoe glued the hole with a patch of suede from an old Vans vulcanized shoe, and I tried to keep the shape of the toe box as close as I could with the material I had. I like the shape of the toe box as well, because when I do my flip tricks, I don't know what it is, must be like the angle or the shape of the toe. I just felt very confident doing flip tricks. Heel flips felt really good in this shoe. I think it's got to do with this thick outsole that has a lot of space to grab the board, and it's flush with the suede of the back panel here. So one of the best things about dunks is probably heel flips. That felt really nice to do. I will say though that besides the panel blowing out making a hole, just put shoe glue or super glue on the stitching so that it doesn't happen and you're fine. Also the rubber is pretty durable. I didn't get any holes here. Overall, I do like the aesthetic of the shoe. I reckon it's a classic, timeless shoe. You can't go wrong with a dunk. I would say you skate in dunks if you can pick it up for retail, but I wouldn't skate this shoe if you paid for resale value, because to me that's just a waste of money. You can spend however you want, but they are a good performance shoe. They're pretty supportive. The handle impact's pretty good as well because of the insole it comes with, and combined with the midsole. Overall, I'm pretty happy with skating in dunks, mainly because of the flick. The shape of the toe box is pretty good. They're pretty durable, they last a long time, and they are supportive, and they look cool as well. So if that matters to you, that's another reason to get them. But don't pay resale to skate in them. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.